When it comes to home improvement projects, many Orange Park homeowners enjoy rolling up their sleeves and taking on do-it-yourself (DIY) tasks. While painting a room or planting a garden are great DIY projects, installing a new door is another story. At first, DIY door installation might seem like a way to save money, but the reality is that it can end up costing you more in the long run. From hidden expenses to long-term performance issues, here's why hiring a professional is often the smarter investment. The complexity of proper installation. Installing a door may look straightforward, but it involves much more than just hanging it on hinges. Proper installation requires ensuring the frame is level and square, correctly sealing gaps to prevent drafts and leaks, installing weather stripping for protection against Orange Park's humid climate, aligning locks and hardware for smooth operation. Without the right training and tools, DIY installations often result in uneven doors, poor seals, and gaps that compromise both comfort and security. Fixing these mistakes later can be more expensive than hiring a professional from the start. Risk of energy loss. In Orange Park, where summers are hot and humid, energy efficiency is critical for keeping your home comfortable and your utility bills manageable. A poorly installed door can create gaps that allow cool air to escape and warm air to seep in. Over time, this leads to higher monthly energy bills. What looks like an upfront DIY savings can actually cost you hundreds of dollars in wasted energy over the life of the door. Security concerns. Your entry door is your home's first line of defense against intruders. If it isn't installed correctly, locks may not align properly, frames can shift, and the overall structure may not hold up to force. Professionals understand how to install doors so they are securely anchored and reinforced, ensuring your family's safety. A DIY misstep here could leave your home vulnerable, and that's a risk no homeowner wants to take. Potential for water damage. Orange Park's frequent rains and humid conditions make waterproofing essential. If a door isn't sealed properly during installation, water can seep inside, leading to warped frames, mold and mildew growth, damage to flooring and walls. Repairing water damage is costly and time-consuming. Professional installers use flashing, caulking, and sealing techniques designed to protect your home against Florida's weather. Hidden costs of DIY. Many homeowners assume DIY door installation is cheaper because they skip labor costs. However, there are often hidden expenses: buying or renting specialized tools, replacing materials due to mistakes, spending time troubleshooting problems. If the installation isn't done right the first time, you may need to hire a professional anyway, paying twice for the same project. Warranty and long-term value. Most door manufacturers require professional installation for warranties to remain valid. If you install the door yourself and later encounter issues, you may be left without coverage. Professional installation not only protects your warranty but also ensures your door lasts longer and performs as intended, providing better value for your investment. Peace of mind. Perhaps the biggest benefit of hiring a professional is peace of mind. Instead of worrying about alignment, sealing, and security, you can trust experts to handle every detail. Professionals bring experience, efficiency, and the assurance that your door will function properly for years to come. Final thoughts. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door installation isn't one to tackle without experience. For Orange Park homeowners, the risks of improper installation, higher energy bills, security concerns, water damage, and hidden costs far outweigh the potential savings. By choosing professional installation, you'll enjoy a secure, energy-efficient, and long-lasting upgrade that enhances both comfort and peace of mind. In the end, it's an investment that truly saves you money and protects your home.